Hi everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Nicole from Zen Electric Bikes, and today we'll be talking all things maintenance. Our Zen Samurai E-bike is built with high quality, low maintenance parts. But that being said, it's not invincible, and sometimes needs a fine tuning. These are 3 things that we do to keep our bike in the best possible condition. Number 1, brakes. Brakes are some of the most important parts on your bike, so it's critical to keep an eye on them. One thing you can do regularly is look between the caliper and make sure the rotor and brake pads are aligned. In doing this, it'll decrease wear and tear on your brake pads, decrease friction and noise, which will increase longevity and time spent on the road doing what we love. Like all disc brakes, the brake pads tend to wear out over time. When keeping an eye on it, make sure your brake pad doesn't reach 1 millimeter in width or less, and when it does, it's time to replace it. You can easily purchase a pair of brake pads from your local bike shop or online and replace it yourself if you're comfortable, or take it to your local bike shop and they'll be happy to do it. Number 2, cables. Cables tend to stretch and fray over time. It's inevitable. Whenever you're riding and your front cables start to feel loose or sloppy, is a good time to check your cables. When you do find a frayed cable, due to the internal gearbox, we recommend taking it to your local bike shop and having them fix it up for you. Number 3, irregular cleaning. Now I know it seems a little obvious, but depending on your riding conditions and weather, it's great to just hose down your bike or take a toothbrush to your belt drive and clean it off every so often. We recommend using also an e-bike cleaner if you'd like to be a little bit more technical. In-house, we use Muck Off, as they have the biggest brand of e-bike cleaners, but any bike cleaner will do the trick. Checking your brakes, cables, and cleaning your bike regularly are the top 3 things we recommend to keep your bike in road condition. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Nicole from Zen Electric Bikes, and we'll catch you next time.